Good morning, students. So let's start our writing skill with the short story. It is of 10 marks in your syllabus, and you have to write a short story. I will give some main points with the help of this PPT. That how can you prepare your story? How can you write a story in the examination? Short story is a long composition for you. It is an artistic form of prose fiction which is centered on a single main incident whose aim is to produce a single dominate impression on you. So short story is like that. You have to write about that. It is you have to be written in 150 words. What makes short story different from the prose fiction, particularly novel? Actually, in the novel, we have to be right in very elaborate way about each and every character. So many incident we have to include in that. But in the story, short story, we have to be right on a very short. A short story converts character and scenes typically by focusing on just one conflict and drive towards a sudden or unexpected revelation. Not on the whole thing, not we are discussing about all the topics. How to write story, short story. Collect the ideas from for the story. First of all, we have to think about the question, whatever is given in the examination. We have to think about that what is requirement, actually what is the question you have to be right. And one more thing, you have to be very aware about the story, that think the story in the reality, about the real fact. Don't think it is it is imagination. You have to use your imagination power in that, but don't go through the other ways in the stories. You have to write exactly whatever the topic is given there. So correct idea of the story experience usually helps to build a good plot. What is the plot, how to make it, we will discuss this later here. The inspiration from the real people we have to take for the story, about think about something new, something real incident happened nearby us. If the question is matched with them, we have to be right like that. So you go through according to them. Once upon a time, this is a very catchy line we have to use in the paragraph. It is okay, we can use if the story is depend on anything on the historical value or something as back, but try to be used as something X. One more thing is there in the catchy paragraph. The first sentence of your narrative should be catch your reader's attention with the usual or unexpected action or the conflict, being the tension and immediate. Remember that short story need to start close to their end. So that is why. And then that is the thing we have to be go through it. No different things. My neighborhood walls. It is screaming. My neighbor was screaming. By tomorrow, just I went to there. Like that, you can start the story. Next is you have to develop the character. It is a very good thing that you have to use this point in your stories in order to develop the living, breathing, multiple faced character and important knows about those character, whatever in the story. For example, the name of the color, friend, age, job, experience, residence, pet, religious, hobbies, single or married, children, impact. I am giving them an example here like that. For example, let us say I want to develop a college student's person who for a story that I am writing. What do I know about her? Her name is Jen, short for Jennifer Mary Johnson. She is 21 years old. She is a fair skinned, narrowing blue eyes, long hair, curly hair. Like that, you have to be develop the points. And if you so, it will also take the time, and you will just elaborate those things. And second, the third important point of the story writing, the first person, the story is it I told from you. I and narrate. The either of the protagonist means I am the main character and directly affected to the unfolding events, or the narrator is a secondary character telling the story revolving around the protagonist. So you have to be very much aware about that. Then we have to set the plot. How to set the plot? First day this happens, second day this happen, third day this happen. when I went there, I saw this, I saw that. Like that, you have to be develop the story and then build the crisis and the climax. This is the turning point of the story and most exciting portion of the story. In this turning point of the story, the most exciting or dramatic moment, it is the moment reader has to be wait for the last payoff when the slipper fits or whatever is happened. Means this is the example of the given to the Cinderella, but we have to be think about it, the what the climax. So it should be, if the climax is good, then it should be help to us, or the readers will just enjoy the story whatever happened. So find the resolution in the story fiction. It is not difficult to provide the complete resolution, and you often need to just to show the characters are beginning to change in the some way or starting to see things differently. So all of you have to go through the work. I am sending one example of the story to you. Write in your copies. Preparation for the examination. Thank you.